I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home. And I am so excited because there are so many recipes I am ready to share with you guys that I inspired from Life in Japan. If you haven't watched my Life in Japan series, go ahead and watch so you understand where this recipe and the food is inspired from, what the original looks like, and all the good stuff. Oh my god, that series is freaking amazing. If you have nothing planned on the weekend, binge watching the Life in Japan. It's really funny. It's definitely gonna make you laugh, and it's definitely going to make you hungry. So first recipe I'm going to share with you from Life in Japan is Tamago Sando. Tamago means egg and Sando means sandwich in Japanese. When I was in Kobe, Japan, I found this really interesting sandwich, and when I looked really closely, it was egg sandwich. Instead of that classic egg sandwich, like a hard-boiled egg smashed down with the mayonnaise and all that, this one was egg omelette, like a really thick egg omelette was in the middle. It was the perfect silky smooth texture for the morning. So I want to share this recipe with you guys, and I made a really simple and quick version of it, so you can make it in the morning before you go to work or school. You can just whoop it up really quick, or on the weekend for a bunch of family, you can just really easy to make. You will need 3 eggs, and season the eggs with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Seonkyoung, why are you putting sugar in the egg? Okay, this is the thing. It has to have the sweet flavor in this sandwich, and it just make perfect, like kind of sweet undertone. You won't even guess there's sugar in it, and it just helps the texture wise. So definitely add in. Mix them, but do not mix them like all the way through with the whisk. Just using a chopstick and mix it about 3/4 way. We don't want the white to be disappear, because we want the little white pieces and parts after they cooked, like here and there. That's the visual I'm looking for right now. All right, I think this is good to go. Before we cook the egg, we have to prepare our bread and the sandwich, so whenever the egg is cooked, we have to move really quickly. So into 2 slices of white bread. You can use any type of bread that you have or you want. Just spread some mayonnaise. I'm using Japanese Kewpie mayonnaise because this Japanese Tamago Sando recipe, but you can use whatever mayonnaise you have in your house. And I'm just going to spread this. Just enough mayonnaise to your taste. I think it's about 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise each slice. And then this is the secret part of Tamago Sando's flavor, Katsuobushi. Katsuobushi is Japanese smoked and dried bonito flakes, the heart of Japanese cuisine. So if you are planning on following a lot of my recipes that inspired from Life in Japan, definitely make sure that you have in your kitchen. You can find this in your local Asian Japanese store, or go check the link down below so you can buy it from the online as well. This bag is 3 grams, and I probably will sprinkle only half of it. So usually in Japanese tamagoyaki, the Japanese rolled egg omelette has this dashi broth in the egg omelette mixture, which is the dashi broth mainly made with the katsuobushi. But the egg sandwich, I mean, you can make tamagoyaki too and make this, but then ain't nobody got time to make tamagoyaki for like 30 minutes and trying to roll the egg omelette layer by layer, making perfect, and in the morning especially, it's not for me. So this recipe works perfect, okay? All right, you put katsuobushi only 1 slice, not both, just like that. All right, let's heat up our pan so we can start to cook the egg. Turn the heat to medium. Melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. 2 tablespoons of butter, maybe it seems a little too much, but trust me, that much butter will just combine with the egg and become super duper silky. And this is why we did not add any milk or cream into the egg mixture. When the butter is completely melted, then pour the egg mixture. Scramble the egg constantly with chopsticks like me or whatever utensils that you feel comfortable with. Don't get me wrong, we are not making scrambled egg right here. We are just trying to make this egg omelette silky as possible. When you move chopstick, the eggs are not coming together by themselves anymore, meaning it starts to form the egg into a round shape. You need to be really gentle. You might want to use a spatula at this moment. And try your best not to get the brown part on surface of the egg. Turn up the heat and the eggs are done. How easy was that? Super duper hungry. Actually, this is my breakfast. I cannot wait to dig in. Maybe because it's warm, it actually tastes better than what I had in Japan. The egg is so silky and soft, just cooked to perfection. And the savory flavor from the katsuobushi, it's a top notch, it's so good. You probably noticed I don't eat this and the part of the bread, it's just, I feel bad, I'm not eating it, but I just never do. So don't make me feel bad, I'm not eating this part of the bread. Probably some of you is wondering, where's Jacob? You know, he has his work to do too. But anyways, Don't tell my mama. My Tamago Sando recipe is just so quick and easy that you can just make it with your eyes closed, you know what I mean? In the morning, before even you have a sip of coffee, you can whip this up. That's how quick and easy this recipe is. And the flavor is so satisfying. It will definitely fix your egg sandwich craving. It's just so good, guys. You definitely have to give it this try. If you liked my Tamago Sando, the Japanese style egg sandwich recipe, please give me a thumbs up. And subscribe my channel for more inspirations and ideas of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching me today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung guest, and this is Asian at Home. And I will see you next time. Bye!